Hello everybody and welcome back. We're taking a look at the grade 8 Gauss from the year 2003, and we are in particular looking at question number 9 in this video. There are 30 students in Mr. McRoberts' grade 8 class. Grade 8 Gauss, looking at a grade 8 class, I identify with these people. 1/3 of the students are girls. So I guess that means 2/3 of the students are boys. Since we know how many students there are, we could actually figure out the number of girls or boys. Alright. 3/4 of the boys play basketball. The number of boys in the class who play basketball is... So right now we're given some fractions in terms of how many students are girls and how many of the boys, of the total boys, play basketball. We want an actual number here. So 3, 10, what are we looking at? So let's work some of this stuff out. You students are either boys or girls. If 1/3 of the students are girls, we can calculate that because there are 30 students. So 1/3 of 30 should be the number of girls, and the students left over should be the boys. So the number of girls should be 1/3 of 30, but 1/3 of something is just 1/3 times that something, and 1/3 times 1/3 times 30 is 10. So there are 10 girls in the class. The number of boys is the number of students minus the number of girls, because your students are either boys or girls. How many students were there? 30. How many girls were there? 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. So in total there are 20 boys, but we're not done. We don't want the number of boys. We want the number of boys who play basketball. But now we can do the final step. We're told 3/4 of the boys, so 3/4 of these 20 boys are the ones who play basketball. And so now that becomes a much nicer calculation. So boys who play basketball, which I'll just abbreviate with BB, is 3/4 of the number of boys. Okay, well, 3/4 of the number of boys. How many boys? 20. 3/4 of 20. And that you can work out with a calculator is 15. So 15 boys play basketball. Okay, so now we need to find that in our answers and bubble it in, and that is E. So just like the last question, our answer is going to be E. All right. So that was question number 9. In the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 10, and I'll see you there.